Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a counting numbers effect in CapCut. This effect is a fun way to add energy and keep your viewers hooked. Let's get started. With your background ready, add a text layer by going to the Text menu and clicking the plus button on the bottom right of Default Text. Extend the length and position it wherever you want to start appearing on your timeline. On the Settings panel, type each number you want to display on separate lines in the text box. Now, position the first number in the center of the screen. You can also adjust the font style, size, and color, or choose from the presets to match your design. Next, we'll animate the numbers. Start by moving the playhead at the beginning of your text layer for its starting position, and then add a transform keyframe on the text layer by clicking on the diamond button to the right of transform. Then, move to the end of the text layer. Position the text so the last number appears in the same spot. CapCut will automatically add a keyframe for this new position, creating the counting motion. To make the effect smoother, adjust the timing of the keyframes by dragging them closer together or further apart, depending on the speed you want. Now let's refine it by converting the text layer into a compound clip. Right-click on the text layer and select Create Compound Clip. This way you can edit within the clip without affecting the rest of the project. Next, click on Video and select Mask. Add a rectangle mask to this compound clip, resizing it to fit the text area so only one number at a time is visible. And that's it. You've created a counting numbers effect in CapCut. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.